Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenRun headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG TV via Bluetooth. This is the LG TV that has WebOS. So the first thing we want to do is put these in the pairing mode. We'll know that these are in the pairing mode when this one side here with the buttons, when it starts blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, okay? So you have to, let me put this in pairing mode. So let me first turn off the headphones. The plus button's right here. I'm going to press and hold it for a few seconds until I see the red light. There it is. Go ahead and let go. Now it's off. Now I'm going to put it in pairing mode. With the headphones off, I'm just going to press and hold that plus button, and I'm going to keep holding until it starts blinking blue, red, blue, red. Okay, so plus button here, ready, go. Press and hold. Keep holding, wait, wait. There we go, blue, red, blue, red. Now it is in pairing mode. Now shoot over to your TV, go directly to your settings. You can click on the settings button on your remote if you have it. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button, and then navigate to wherever your settings is. Mine's is on the top left here. So let me go to settings. And then all settings is highlighted, the gear icon. Let me go ahead and select that. It's moving. Okay, there we go. So now from here we want to go down one to sound, and then we're going to select that, and now we're just going to move over to the right, and then we're going to go down to sound out. Currently it's coming out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these headphones, so let's select sound out. Now from here we're going to go down to use wireless speaker right there. Let's select that. Select Bluetooth device, and now just go ahead and go all the way down. You can see I have other earbuds and headphones paired to this, but you see that little spinning thing there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode that's near me, which is like 30 feet or so Bluetooth range. These are still in the pairing mode, and it did pop up there, the OpenRun by SHOKZ. So just go ahead and highlight it and then select it. Oh, and it just connected. Lights just went off, and it says connected on there as well. So pretty simple. Now if you had issues where you couldn't put these in pairing mode, or you had issues connecting, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.